The next thing is to install our page builder. The page builder we'll be using to design our site or squeeze page is called Instabuilder. It also comes with the training program. So I'm going to click on Plugins now and then click on Add New. So I'll click on Upload Plugin and I'll choose the file to select where the plugin is located in my device. I'll type Instabuilder. As you can see, this is on my system. I'll open it. Can you see it? Yes! And I will click on the Install Now button. Once you click on the Install Now button, it will start installing. So we're going to wait until it gets to 100% and finally install on our site. Okay, so once the plugin has been installed successfully, then you need to click on the Activate Plugin in order to activate the plugin. And it's going to appear here any moment from now. Nice! You can see Instabuilder is here automatically. So now we can start creating our pages. If you click on Instabuilder, it will take you to this dashboard. So this is the builder we are going to use to create our lead page. So I'm going to show you how to actually create your first lead page or squeeze page. Now there are two ways to create a page. You can either go to Pages and click on Add New, or from here inside your Instabuilder dashboard and click on New Page. Whichever way you want to go about it, you can do it. But I want to do it from here. I'll come to Instabuilder, then click on New Page. So once you click on New Page, it's going to bring out templates. That's the beauty of Instabuilder. Instabuilder comes with a lot of done-for-your-site templates in different categories like sales pages, squeeze pages, launch pages, webinar pages, coming soon pages, and the likes. So I can decide to select squeeze pages, and it also has a subcategory, as you can see, whether a text squeeze, video squeeze, mini squeeze, 2 steps opt-in, 3 steps opt-in, etc., etc. So I'll just leave it at the general one squeeze page template. You'll see different designs for squeeze pages, and you can pick the one that you prefer. As you can see, these are squeeze pages, so at the end of the day, you can just pick one that you prefer and use it, or you can also create your own from scratch. So in this case, I'll just select one of these. So I'll go with this. You can preview them as well to see how the templates look like. So if you're okay with it, you can go ahead to use them. So I can decide to go with this. So I'm just going to click on Choose. So once I've clicked on Choose, it's going to load the template, and from here I can start designing my squeeze page. So before you start designing your squeeze page, there are certain things you need to know. Now people will not just come to your squeeze page and enter their name and email address for no reason. You have to give them a reason why they have to do that, and it has to be a very good one. That is, you have to offer them, you have to bribe them to release their names and email address to you. And how do you do this? You have to offer them a bait. Now I'm going to show you how to actually do this. Now you have to offer them an irresistible bait or freebie on your lead page. Now this freebie or giveaway you're offering could be in the form of a software or a video training, but not ebooks, except it's really a decent and value-packed offer. Now I know you'll be wondering where you'll get all these valuable freebies from. Not to worry, you can easily get them on the sites being displayed on your screen right now. So what you have to do is go there, look for a software or a video training related to the kind of market you want to focus on, and any software in that area. You can pick it and use it as your freebie. So let's do that now. I'm going to go to www.idplr.com. Now when you get to idplr.com, you have to register with them. I have an account with them, lifetime access. You have to register. You can register for free or you can upgrade your account. So I'm just going to search for a product. Let's say I want to focus on quick money or traffic generation. Just go to their site. You'll see categories there. You'll even see their latest products. Can you see it on this side? You can go to categories. Can you see that? Okay, so once you go to categories, Then select whatever you want to focus on. If it's software, you click on Software. And you can also use their search bar to search for whatever you want to focus on. So look at this. These are software. Can you see? So you can always load more. You see a lot of software on the platform. Like I said before, you should either give out a software or video training. These have higher perceived value to customers when they see than all those free ebooks that are full of junk information. So people will actually like to sign up. So now look at the site. You can see modern vlogging video upgrade. Now the beauty of using PLR is that it comes with their own done-for-you site and all. So all you have to do is to copy and paste the content. They also have their own graphics. You can see modern vlogging, WordPress website security. These are software and training. Look at this one, Amazon FBA Success Video Upgrade. So these are video training courses. As you can see, we have more. Look at this one, Amazon FBA. You can use it as a free gift on your lead page, and people are going to sign up, trust me. So I'm just going to pick the video here and use it. So let me open the link in a new tab. Okay, so this is it. Like I said earlier on, you'll see more details about the product, what it's all about. As you can see here, these are the topics covered. You can see the sales page as well. So if I click here, it's going to show me the sales page. So because this is already an upsell to the first product, I'm simply going to go back to the first one and click on it. So we can see the sales page, and we can use the headline and other things for our lead capture page. So I will click on the sales page. So now as you can see, this is the sales page for the product. So it's easy for us to just use this for our squeeze page. So what I'm going to do now is just to copy the headline here. I'm going to paste the inside a notepad first. Then I'll copy and use it as my headline in my lead page here. Then you can click on Publish in order to publish your page for the very first time. And after this time, you can start saving. Anytime you make corrections or changes to your site, you click on the Save button. And here you can change the permalink, that is the link of that page. So I'll click on Edit Permalink and then give it a name. So here I can maybe sign up, click on OK. So this will be the link to the page. So let's copy and see. You can see it showing now. So this is our live page. So let's continue with our design. Go back to our page. So here you can edit. I'll go back to the sales page. Can you see? I'll copy it, go back to that page, put it in Notepad first in order not to affect the current font. Can you see that? Okay, now I can add image. And here I can put something like free download. Can you see that? I'll change this. I'll also change this. Free download, 48 copies left. I have to save again. So like I said, I have to add the image. So I'll go to the sales page and look for the product. Okay, this is the image, so I can right-click and save it. We can save the image. So once I save it, I'll just upload the image to my page. So how do I do that? It's very simple. You view it. So I'll go to the dashboard, go to Media, click on Add New. So that image that I just downloaded, I'll upload it, as you can see. So once it is uploaded successfully, I'll go back to my page and add it here. I'll click on this, edit the configuration, come to Action, Upload Image. So I'm going to go to the Media Library and select the image. So you come to this place and you select the file and upload, or you go to the Media Library and upload it. Or you can just paste the link of the image here and it appears automatically. So you can resize the image whichever way you want it. So now here, I'll just put another title element below the image. Let's say enter your details below to get immediate access or to download, whichever one you want to use. So I'm going to reduce it, center alignment, and bold it. I can change the color to red, as you can see. So I'll just click on Save. So this is how to design your sales page in a few minutes. You can add more details to it if you want to add, maybe like what the product is all about and all that. As you can see on the page, like what they will get inside and all these listed here, but you don't need a lot of information on the squeeze page. Just the headline, the image or video, and then the sign-up box is all you need. So here you can edit it as well. It's just to click on anything you want to edit. Change it to 2020. Your company name should be your website name, NetBizNG. And then I'm going to click on Save. So now this is how to create a lead page. The next thing we want to do is actually make this form to actually work. That is, accept leads. So how do we do that? It means we have to integrate autoresponder with this form so that anytime people visit this website and they sign up, it stores the data in our autoresponder, and from the autoresponder, we can keep sending them emails. So in order for the form to work perfectly fine, we need to integrate our autoresponder to your site. First, what is an autoresponder? An email autoresponder is a software that is used to send automated emails to a lot of people at the click of a button. It can be to 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 to 40,000. It all depends on the size of your list. So it makes the work super easy for you. So now there are different autoresponder service providers out there that you can use, but I usually recommend Aweber or GetResponse. So if you go to aweber.com, you create an account with them. This is aweber.com. So let me open GetResponse as well. Now this is aweber.com, so you can actually sign up and register. They offer different plans, so you go through their plans and see the one that you prefer. So I always suggest that you start with the 1,000 list size, since that is your first target. That is the first list that you'll be building. So you start with the 1,000 leads plan. Also, we have GetResponse, which I also use as well. Their first 1,000 is free, so you can start with GetResponse. Just click on the sign up button, and you can start your free trial. As you can see, just input your name, email, and password. Since I already have an account here, I'm just going to log into my account. So I'll just click on the login, enter my details, and that's it. Now please note that there are hundreds of autoresponder service providers, and you can choose to use any of them. But one thing is certain, they all work in the same way. Although sometimes they might use different terms or names in their menu options. So you can just go through their tutorial on how to use the platform. So since I'll be using GetResponse, the first thing you want to do is create a list. A list is a segment or group of subscribers. So you can go to List and click on Create a List. So you give your list a name, let's say FBA Leads, since that is the name of the product I'm giving out. Then you can just click on Create. So once you're done creating your leads, the next thing is to create a form. Now we want to create a sign-up form that we are going to put on our website. So click on the Create Form button. Once you click on Create a Form, you're going to see this screen. So there are different kinds of forms that you can create. You can use the Get Response list building wizard that has tons of templates. As you can see, these are templates, or you can just use their plain HTML. Now, if you're using Get Response to build your form and you want to redirect your visitors to another page after they sign up, maybe to your thank you page or the download page, then I advise you to use this list builder wizard. So now we're going to come down here and select any of the templates that we want to use. Do you see that you can just pick one and use it? So let me see. I can decide to use this one. Click on Use Template. Once you click on Use Templates, it's going to load the template for you. So now also note that you must have a thank you page. A thank you page is where they will actually download whatever free gift you are giving out. Remember, this is the training course we are using, so you can download it from the site. Once it's downloaded on your system, you can now upload it either to Google Drive or Dropbox. So once you upload it there, you can now include the download link on your thank you page. So let's do that. Okay now, so this is our form. You can edit the form by deleting this. I'll delete this as well, then I'll resize the form. Can you see? Then I think I'm good with this. So the next thing is, you can change the text here to sign up now. You can change it to download now. Can you see that? You can edit anything on the form. So once you're done, the next thing you want to do is come to Settings. Settings is where you actually set up a lot of things. You can give your form a name, let's say FBA Leads, as you can see. Then you'll choose the list, because in one autoresponder you can have a lot of lists. A list is what you use to segment a different set of subscribers, like people that sign up for FBA Leads or people that purchased a particular product. You can even have one autoresponder and have a different set of subscribers lists inside. For example, maybe a list of your e-commerce audience, one for video, one for social media marketing, and all that. So you choose the list you want those who sign up to go into. So in this one, I can just select Software List, as you can see. Now, a confirmed opt-in is like a double opt-in. You use this if you want them to also receive a confirmation email in their inbox before they are added to the list. I normally leave it at default. I don't turn it on, so leave it off like this. So the next thing you want to focus on is the thank you page. What's a thank you page? A thank you page is the page you redirect your site visitors to after they've signed up on your lead capture page. In this case, your thank you page should be the download page where they can download whatever it is you promised them. So in this case, I'm just going to click on the Stay On page and select Custom. So once you select Custom, you're going to put your thank you page here. And what will be your thank you page? Of course, we have to create a thank you page. So I'm just going to come up with a name here, say something like Thank You, which we are going to create. So you have to take note of this link. I'm going to copy this and put it here as our thank you page link. Can you see? Then click on Save. So once we save, the next thing is to click on Publish. Remember, you can add as many fields to your form as possible, like phone number and others. But the default and the most important thing you need is their name and email address. Some people do add phone number, but I'm not using that here. Just click on Publish. Once you publish, a code is generated. Can you see this code? So I'll just copy this code, go back to my page editor. Can you see? Click on this. I'll delete this form that is here. I will delete that. Then I'll look for this JavaScript, that code. You drag and drop it wherever you want to place your form. Can you see that? So I'll click on Center Alignment and I'll edit a little bit. So I'll click on Edit Configuration. Inside the code settings, you delete it and paste the code you copied automatically. It's going to add your form. Can you see that? So now our sign-up form is there automatically. Then you click on the Save button. Now our opt-in page is ready. Now before we go ahead, we also need our thank you page, as I said. So I'm going to show you how to create a thank you page. So once we save this, we are going to exit it. Remember, we formed a thank you page link, which is netbizng.com/thankyou, which we already used in our form. So you don't want to make a mistake. Just save it somewhere so we can use it to create another page. So let's go back to our page builder. Since we are done with this, we are going to exit. Click on Exit Editor, click on Leave. It will take you to our page. We already created one page, so now we want to create another page. So just come here and click on the New Page. Then you can select any template you want to use as well. So I'll just pick one that we can use as a thank you page. In this place, I can use this thank you page template. Can you see? You can preview it. This is a thank you page. So I'm going to use that. I'll just click on Choose, and once I choose, the first thing you want to do is to change the link of the page. So I'll edit and change this to thank you, remember? That is what we used, and I'll click on OK. So we have our thank you page. I'll click on Close. Now you can edit this to your taste. I'll remove this logo. Then you click here. I'll edit and change it to click here to download. Can you see? So what you need to do now is to hyperlink this button with your download link, which you can get from Google Drive or Dropbox, depending on where you uploaded the product. Once you upload the giveaway product to Dropbox or Google Drive, you go back to your thank you page or your download page here. Then create a download button. To create a button is very simple. It's just to drag and drop this here, as you can see. So you click on the button, edit the configuration, come to the target link. This is where you put your download link. So once you put the download link there, click on the Publish button, and once you publish it, then you can save. Now we have our thank you page all set. So once you're done, it's time to check out and see if everything is working fine. So I'm going to exit this page and go to our sign up page. Can you see? So I'm going to fill it, and to test, I'll click on Download Now. Fine, it's working perfectly. Immediately I filled the form, it redirected me to the thank you page. So this is how to set up your opt-in page, or you can call it your squeeze page, lead page, or lead capture page, and also your thank you page, and have it integrated with your autoresponder. As I said, you're going to follow the same procedure if you're using Aweber, ActiveCampaign, or any other autoresponder account. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to actually drive traffic to your squeeze page and build your first 1,000 lists of subscribers using Facebook ads. Thank you for watching.